Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix sound or audio issues in ARK Survival Ascended game. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes mentioned in this video very carefully. Now the first fix is steps to fix sound or audio problem in ARK Survival Ascended game. So open Windows settings, on the left click on system, then click on sound, scroll down, under advanced option click on more sound settings. Then select your default device, for example speakers, and then click on properties. Now go to the spatial sound tab and then from the drop down here select off option first, then hit on apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If that doesn't work and if spatial sound is already set to off, then from the drop down select Windows Sonic for headphones, then hit on apply, OK, and then you can go ahead relaunch the game and check sound or audio problem is solved or not. Fix 2. Make sure sound levels in game is set to 100%. So look for audio settings within the ARK Survival Ascended game menu and make sure that the volume and other audio settings are correctly configured. Make sure the volume bars are set to 100%. Further, if you are using headphones, then you may like to try using speakers to see if any sounds play or not. Fix 3. Steps to fix audio or sound problem in ARK Survival Ascended if you are using a Bluetooth headphones. So right click the Bluetooth icon in the system tray, select show Bluetooth devices, scroll to the bottom, select more devices and printer settings, right click your headphones and select properties. Now go to the services tab, uncheck hands-free telephony, remote control and remotely controllable device, then click on apply and then launch the game and check. Fix 4. Set default sound device. Click on the sound icon in the system tray and make sure your system volume is set to 100%. Then select your audio device above your system volume. Select the sound device you are using for the game. After the sound device is selected, restart the game and then test it for the improvement. Fix 5 is to disconnect additional peripheral devices. Your sound settings can be altered by additional peripherals. So disconnect any peripheral devices that are not necessary, such as USB devices, camera, phone, etc. and then check. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve sound or audio issues in ARK Survival Ascended game on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.